Okay, boys and girls, we are going to write our spring story now. So I hope you were able to take a walk, or I hope you could think of 3 things we hear or see in spring. So my kindergartners use writing paper that looks like this. There's a space at the top and then lines at the bottom. When we write, boys and girls, remember we start with a capital letter for our beginning of our sentence. We put a period at the end of our sentence, and we put finger spaces between our words. So remember, when we're stretching out a word, we're going to write the sounds that we hear. It's not always the perfect way to spell something, but it's the best way we as kindergartners know how to spell. So I'm going to start my story. I would normally draw a picture up here, but I don't want to take your time for that. So I'm just going to tell you the 3 things that I know about spring. So when I went on my walk, I saw flowers, I heard birds, and I felt rain, because in springtime it rains a lot. So that way we have pretty flowers, more flowers for the summer. So when I'm writing my story, I need a topic sentence. And today my topic sentence is going to be, it is spring. So I start with a capital letter, a capital I, and then T, it. That's one of our high frequency words, kindergarten. It is our whiz of is. And then spring. Spring is one of our ing family words that we learned the other day. Ing. Spring, period. It is spring. Now, I'm going to write what I saw. I see flowers. Because remember, Mrs. Macrina, in the book, I told you that I have daffodils outside of my house. So I'm going to start flowers with an F, O, ow. We know O-W can say ow. Flowers, period. Now I'm going to tell you what I hear. I hear birds. I hear, now we know this word here, it's a direction word, but that's okay. We can use that because our adult could go through and write underneath and tell us how the real spelling of here is. I hear birds. Birds. Period. And I circle my periods because I know after a period, the next letter should be a capital letter. I feel rain is going to be my next sentence. I feel, oh, make sure I have my finger space in there. Like C, eagle. I feel rain. Rain. And I know E on the end says makes A say its big name. I feel rain. Okay, so I told you my topic sentence, it is spring. I told you my one detail, I see flowers. I hear birds. I feel rain. Now I need an ending to my story. So my ending usually tells my feeling. So when I write my feeling, I need to think about what I feel about spring. Mrs. Macrina really likes spring because that means summer's coming and my birthday is in spring. So I really like spring. So I'm going to write the words I, using my lines, and then my finger space, like, and then my last word is spring. Spring. Period. And there's your sentence.